boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. Hey, we're working on your how-to books, and I'm sure you're having lots of fun with that. So on my chart up here, I have a list of things that you need to have in your how-to story. You need to have a title. You need to have materials, the steps on that each person is going to take to do that, pictures to help them make things clear, and we're going to add something today that we're going to add commas for a list. And I'm going to show you how to make commas. So we're going to call these must-haves because if you're writing a how-to book, you must have these things. So I'm going to say they are must-haves. You must include these. Exclamation, really important, right? Those are must-haves. You've got to have those in your how-to books. So what you're going to be doing today is looking through your how-to book and doing a checklist and say, do I have a title? Do I have materials? Do I have all the steps with numbers that someone needs to follow to make my what I'm showing them how to do or what to make? Do I have pictures that are very clear pictures? And today, boys and girls, we're going to talk about how to make a list. So when someone made the How to Kite book, things that they had were cardboard. Oh, I need a better marker. I'm going to switch out and get a better marker here. Let's see if this green is better. Plastic. Yeah, that's better. A ruler, scissors, tape, and string. Now, boys and girls, if I were reading this list, okay, I might read this list, cardboard plastic bag. Is there such a thing as a cardboard plastic bag? Does that make sense? No, cardboard is separate from plastic bag, right? So what we need to do, someone might get confused and they might think that a cardboard plastic bag is one thing. Cardboard is separate and the plastic bag is separate, right? So boys and girls, we're going to make what's called a comma. A comma is a round circle with a little tail. And that shows us, I'm going to get in a little closer so you can see it. So a comma shows us things in a list that are separate. Then I have a plastic bag. Is it a plastic bag ruler? No, it's just a plastic bag. So two words can go and then a comma because the plastic bag is one thing. So I have a plastic bag. A cardboard is one thing. A plastic bag is my second thing. Do I have ruler scissors? You can't have ruler scissors, can you? No, that's separate. Scissors tape? No. Scissors is one thing. Tape is another thing. String is the last thing. So boys and girls, a comma is very important. Commas are used for different reasons. But one reason, let me write this a little nicer. One reason we use a comma is to separate things on our list so they don't get confusing. So if you have a list like this, make sure you put commas in between. I'm going to write a comma really big so you can see what they look like. I make it behind the letter. It's a dot with a tail that comes off the back of the dot, and that's a big comma, right? So when you put commas, it goes on the bottom line after your word and in between each separate thing. So I'm sure your teacher will help you out more with commas. So today you're making sure all those must-haves are on your list. Title, materials, steps, pictures, and commas for your list. All right, boys and girls, you're getting better and better, and those how-tos are getting better and better. Good job. Keep it up.